Large or uneven lawns don't stand a chance. Luba 2 AWD is an autonomous wire-free lawnmower built to tackle rugged terrain with stunning aesthetic results. You drive Luba like an RC car to set a virtual boundary so there's no need for perimeter wires. You can also set multiple mowing zones that Luba will traverse automatically. Its all-wheel drive system climbs steep slopes up to 38 degrees, thanks to the enhanced internal motors, while adaptive suspension maintains a smooth mow over bumpy terrain. With our patented dual-purpose driving system, Omni wheels prevent damage to the grass when Luba makes a zero turn. Luba is now compatible with smart home systems.
Alexa, have Luba mow the lawn.
Mowing started.
For an entirely hands-free experience. Under the hood, it wields dual cutting plates with an effective width of 400 millimeters. Cutting height can be adjusted to your liking through the mobile app. A solar-powered RTK unit enables centimeter-level positioning. And if there's ever a loss in GPS connection, Luba will default to its 3D vision system. There's no loss in mowing accuracy, even when RTK is disconnected for an extended period of time. When you're out of town, you'll never have to give it a second thought. Luba's triple redundant obstacle avoidance system is powered by a physical bumper, ultrasonic radar, and binocular vision that detects anything in its path, making Luba safer around pets and children. The intelligent battery detects when power is getting low and returns itself to the base station for recharge. Adjust mowing specs and monitor progress anywhere directly with the Memotion app. All this and so much more make Luba 2 AWD the ideal choice for large or uneven lawns.
Introducing the WowCube Entertainment System, the next generation of interactive handheld gaming, fidget toy, and digital device. Twist, tilt, tap, and shake up your gaming experience. With the WowCube system, interact with the digital world in a whole new way. You can display everything on the cube's 24 screens. Use it to display widgets, or your favorite apps at work, your calendar, or even social media apps. With the WowCube system, you can create any content you like thanks to the open SDK, or switch to a smart lamp for a warm glow to wind down from your day. There's nothing else like the WowCube Entertainment System. Puzzles, mazes, word or fidget games, even arcade and adventure. Open up your digital universe and bring this smart cube to your life.
Sweetie, time for school. Nobody should move except a sender.
to 151 FM. It's that time of year.
Watch me go. Follow. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. I'm unstoppable. Keep it lit, keep it hot, and I keep it tight. And the way that I move got you feeling nice. We can take it downtown, catch a party vibe. Move your body all around if the rhythm's right. Follow. Now you know. Watch me go. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. Unstoppable. Watch me go.
Quick shot modes.
Hey Fly, take a droney.
Living how I like, run it day and night. Here to pick a fight. Oh. Now you know. Watch me go. Watch me go. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. I'm unstoppable. Watch me go. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. I'm unstoppable.
Ready, set, go.
Alexa, close my curtains.